Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat views. So first of all, to check who has viewed your Snapchat story, follow these steps. Open the Snapchat app on your iPhone and then swipe right from the camera screen to access your profile and friends list. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner and then basically on the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Select my story from the menu options. Your story will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on your story to view it. Once your story is open, swipe up on the screen. You will see a list of all Snapchatters who have viewed your story. Okay, and by following these steps you can easily check who has viewed your Snapchat story. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for